Holidays are my favorite time of the year, especially because we spend so much time with our families. I usually do my makeup to go out to do ice skating or just daytime activities with the family. You know, we want to make sure we look cute even if we're at home. I mean, I do. So we're gonna go ahead and show you this daytime look. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys like it. Happy holidays. I already finished up my foundation. We did our concealer, something really quick for daytime, and I wanted to show you guys this beautiful palette. This is from Tarte, and this is the Sweet Escape palette. Look how beautiful, shimmery, sparkly, fun palette this is with a beautiful pineapple here in the center. I'm gonna open her up so you guys can see what's inside. So basically, this palette is really awesome for every day. You have everything you need all in here. You have your eyeshadows, shimmers, mattes, and then you also have liner, mascara, and a nude lipstick. Then we go over here and you have your highlighter, blushes, and your bronzer. So let's go ahead and dive in and show you what I do for my daytime look. So to start, I'll be using the IT Cosmetics 105 brush, and we're going to dip into Beach Tote, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. So I'm just applying this in a windshield wiping motion. After you apply the shade on your crease, we're gonna go in with Rum Runner, and I'm gonna apply that on the lid using a 220 IT Cosmetics brush. What I like to do is dab it on. I don't like to just sweep it over. And although this is a day look, I like to intensify it just a little bit by using a different shade of brown on the bottom. So I'm going to use Windsurf with the IT Cosmetics 221 brush, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Man-Eater mascara, and I'm gonna apply this on my top lash. I really like this mascara. The bristles on them are really, really small. So what I like to do is wiggle that wand so that it really separates and elongates the natural lash. And I like to use that on the inner corner and also on the outer corner. After we're done with the eyes, we're going to jump into blush, and I'm gonna dip into island hopping, and I'll just apply this on the apples of my cheeks. With the same brush I applied the blush with, I'm gonna go in with this bronzer. Beach Bod is the name, and I really like this bronzer because it's not too orangey. With this brush, I also like to use the little tip here, and I'll go ahead and contour the nose just a little bit. To finish the look, we're going to use the lipstick in the palette, and this is called Naughty Nude. I love the packaging. It has little pineapples. For a little extra shine, what I like to do is apply highlighter, and for this, I'm going to use the Bando highlighter in the palette, but I will be mixing it with the Rum Runner eyeshadow, which gives it a little bit more of that golden feel. And then I like to use this setting brush from Real Techniques to apply it because it just applies a little bit more. And I also like to bring it up a little bit above my brow as well. This is from Morphe, and it's a continuous mist that's gonna just cover all the makeup and set that in place. I like to do that so it just kind of sets in my face really nicely. So this finalizes my daytime look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more holiday looks. Bye!